comes down to, you know, I don't know. I never plan on doing this shit today. Fuck you, Rita.
We're good. Lots of room. What'd that guy do? Come out from behind you? Where'd that guy come from?
He was down the lane. There was a few cars turning left. He didn't move around them.
So he goes around you.
Way around in the other lane, unnecessary. That's why I slowed right down, waiting for him to fucking go. He didn't move.
I'm fucking tired. Blast off, fuck, he's turning. Blast him. Fucking give it to him.
Fuck off. This guy. Hi!
Buddy honking the horn at you. Look at this guy. You want to have a horn war, do you?